Right, yeah, should go together now. There's one. There's another one. Wow, we. Hang on then. Here you go. Brush.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that brush.
Oh.
Don't know what that goes on. Does that go on there?
No.
Ah, does that one? Look, see the red one over there? See that bit over there? Does it go on there?
Yeah.
This bit, look, you muppet. Does that go on there?
Yeah.
There it is. That's like a little handheld. That's George's nose, look. You think it's safe, Zozo? Yeah, make a run for it, I would. But did you forget to do the bit inside, George? Where's this go? Does it go inside him?
Yeah. Take off George's hat. Take off George's hat.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, we did it. That doesn't go back in there now, does it? That's because this is for dry. This is for when you're hoovering. And you've got to put a bag on there. Never mind, let's do it for wet, eh?
It's home.
Yeah, and that bit, this bit.
It's it.
That bit in there.
It's it. No.
Rolled that, yeah? Hang on, that can't be in there, can it? It's not all the way down. There you go. Now it is. Here, I'll lift it. Oh, there's a little pipe in that hole. Yeah. Still fixed. You ready to go? You've lost a slipper, look.
It's home. Oh, it's home there.
Wow, now you need a big bit for down there, look. Lose your slipper, look. You lost your slipper. What one goes on down there? This one. What's this one? There it is. Voila.
Oh. Yes.
Should you put that on there? You did it. Oh, no you didn't.
It off it, Dad.
Sorry. That goes on there too.
Uh,
Do you want me to hold it for you? You said, get off it, Dad.
Okay, it's all in there. You take this out.
Go on then. Take it out.
Now it's taste.
Careful that ping and smack you. Okay.
That's just for churching. To make the S.
This is for the washing.
There's for action.
Yeah, for washing the floor.
So I think for
So what one are you going to do then? That's it, isn't it? It's ready to go.
yeah.
Yeah?
It's some.
That one going on first. There you go. There it is. Woo! Well done. Well done. Oh, the pipe come off. Go, go, go. Well done. You did it. Brody fixed it. Say bye. Bye.